Greetings from Turkey. We are so pleased to be in here, in this organization, in this HVAC exhibition. So it's the first time that we are participating in this show, and we were quite excited, and it was pretty good. This show makes us to understand the market of Egypt very well. So we would like to thank you again for the organizers, everyone, to provide everything. It was a great show, and we are happy to be in here, and we wish that we will again participate in coming future if it is possible. Thank you again.